put ourselves on the line every day by coming in there because we don't know who's coming in that store.
Today, grocery store employees brought their concerns about safety to the forefront since they still serve customers amid the pandemic. The country's largest food and retail union sent a letter to the CEOs of top supermarket chains saying they're failing to provide the pay and protections necessary given the risks their employees face. RTV6's Stephanie Wade speaks with those grocery workers, including here in Indiana, who are on the front lines of the coronavirus pandemic.
A phrase repeated several times and felt amongst all of the grocery workers we spoke to today.
We're not heroes, we're sacrificing. This is a risk that we are doing.
We're not heroes. We're far from heroes. I don't want to have a cape. This is my cape every single day.
Each one saying they're often referred to as heroes, but feel they're not treated like one.
The employees are downright scared and afraid to ask somebody to put on a mask because of the retaliation we get from it.
Especially feeling unsupported by their companies and lawmakers.
There's still no state policy that enforces social distancing or mask wearing, nor most of America's largest food retailers, they're not enforcing social distancing or mask wearing either.
For an industry deemed essential.
I did not feel safe. I feel like I'm still at risk, that I could be taking this home to my children, to my grandchildren, to my spouse.
We are total targets, sitting ducks for the virus.
Most say they're working more hours since the pandemic began.
You know that you have to continue to risk yourself to not only to provide for your own family, but for your community.
Many are terrified by the troubling numbers collected by the United Food and Commercial Workers International Union.
Today, our estimates show that at least 68 grocery workers in companies that we represent have died. Over 10,000 have become sick or exposed to COVID-19.
They're grateful that some grocers like Kroger have installed plexiglass partitions at their registers and physical distancing floor decals. But employees feel without masks required by all customers, they won't feel safe doing their job.
We just want to feel the appreciation for the risk that we take every day.
Our jobs matter. Our jobs matter so much for myself, for my 5 members in my household, but our health matters more.
Stephanie Wade, RTV6.
Kroger has also offered special pay in March, April, and May. The new thank you pay for hourly frontline employees provides an additional $400 for full-time employees and $200 for part-time.